Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a custom post type with ACF and CPT. The custom post type plugin name is custom post type UI, and ACF plugin is advanced custom fields for adding some extra fields other than the WordPress default fields. So for this we will need two plugins. First one is CPT. Click on plugins, add new. In the search, type CPT, which means custom post type. Click on install now. Activate the plugin. Now we have our CPT or custom post type plugin already installed and activated. Click on CPT UI and click on add or edit post types. Here, type in the name of post type you want to add to your website. In my case, I'll add property, and the plural label will be properties. Singular label will be property. Okay. Now click on add post type. Now click on view post types to see which post type do you have. We only have the property post type. Click on this one to edit. You can add the menu name, all items, all these things, but by default it's already set up by the CPT plugin. So we will just come back to the top, and now we will add the ACF plugin, which is advanced custom fields for some extra fields such as beds, number of beds, number of baths, kitchens, car park, and image gallery, and all other default types such as title, description, and image are already in the WordPress by default. So let's come to plugin. Click on add new. Type in the name in the search bar ACF and press enter. Install advanced custom fields extended. Click on install now. Okay, this is not the right one. Search for ACF advanced custom field by Elliot Condon. Click on activate. After activating the advanced custom field, come to custom fields and click on add new, or click on field groups. We will first add a new field group. We are making this field group for property, so we will name it as property, and post type will be equal to property. And now we can add fields. Click on add field. Our first field will be title, description, and image, which are already in WordPress by default. So we will first add number of beds field. Number of beds. Field type is equal to number, and it's required. Without this, the field will not be added. Click on add field again. Second one will be baths, and it's also number. It can be 0 and more than 0 as well. This one is also required. Add new field, kitchen, also number, required. Okay. And car park. It's text, yes or no, or you can make it boolean. Select, so it will be yes or no, or you can just leave it as text or number. Yes, and click on publish. Now we will make a post in property. Click on property, add new. This is the custom post type which we created using CPT. Name it as, for example, studio apartment in Paris. Number of beds 2, number of baths 3, kitchen 1, and car park 1, or you can say yes. Add some description. This is a studio apartment. And you can add as long description as you want. Now click on featured image, select an image for this. I'll add a dummy image, so just to show you how it works. After publishing the post, let's check how it looks like on front end. Okay, image, title and description. So the advanced fields, advanced custom fields are not shown. We need to replicate our single.php. So come to the theme folder. In my case, I'm using Astra. Copy the single.php page and paste it here, and name it single dash name of custom post type property. And from where you can find your custom post type name, come here and go to post types, property, and in the link you can see post type is equal to property. So this is your post type name. You can concatenate this with single file name here and it will work. Okay, now let's edit this. After making the single property page, we can check it whether it's working or not. So on page anywhere type we are here and save it. Now open the front end and refresh it, and here we are. Okay, if this do not appear, then you can just do a step, come to appearance, settings, permalink, and then change the permalink from plain to any other, and click on save changes, and then close the front end, and then in the properties click on view and it will start working. Okay, now we have the content here, we have the title, image, and all these three things, but what we need is to add the 3 extra custom fields. Come to ACF and click on property, edit, and these are the names of these fields. Copy number of beds. This is the name of field. We will need this in the shortcode. Let's check it on the top of the posts. Okay, here type in PHP echo get field and the name of the field, and we will wrap this in another span which will say number of beds, semicolon, and this value. Now close that span and save it, come to your page, refresh it, and number of beds 2. So we will have to copy this thing, move it to here. So let's cut it. Okay, now let's paste it here and see if it's working. Also copy all other fields and make them as these are mentioned here. Okay, let's copy this thing and add it 4 times and just copy these names like baths, then kitchen, then car park, and change the titles kitchen and car park. Save it and let's check. Okay, all these values are coming up, but it's not within the design, so we will move them above the button, cut it and paste it above the Astra content property button. Okay, save and refresh. Okay, it's still not within the content, so we can just leave it here, or we can add it above the content loop, but that will also not look right because it will be appeared above the thumbnail. So add a BR tag in the last of each line, save it and refresh it, and here it is: number of beds, number of baths, kitchens and car park. So this was all for today's video. I hope you learned something from this. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our future updates. Thank you.